Mustafa shooting the M16 sniper.
And then what you're going to do is you want to look through this. You see this, when you're looking through the hole.
Yeah, Mustafa, yeah. It's like this.
Hole down to the
That's
where you're
Center John?
Oh yeah.
Is that the shotgun making that?
So,
You ready to fire? Like that jiggle thing you do.
Nice.
You like that?
Yep.
Really?
Did I hit all 5 or?
I know you hit the last 4. I don't know about the first one.
It's Mustafa, your sniper for you, man.
And push it straight in.
Around their shoulder and just try it. Good job, man.
See it properly. So you're going to want to press the bolt carrier release, so what will happen is this little button here.
Hit the 5 sign.
No, don't hit the numbers.
Hit the 5 sign. It's too hard for you. What sign? The 5. Come 5, hit it. Which one? In front of you.
I don't think you're supposed to hit numbers.
Alright, listen to the plate.
Nice.
Okay, last one too.
You'll shoot this direction? Okay, so just get kind of something with...
Hello? Huh? I'm shooting. What are you?